Hey loves, I'm going to show you how I put in my butterfly locks. As you see here, I have my cornrows in. It doesn't look like it's absolutely straight because I'm trying to give it the illusion of an individual piece, so you'll see how it kind of it's like a little blocked off in different sections. These pieces here on the end, these pieces that you see here, I'm actually going to just take them up and crochet them in. I know a lot of people always ask, like, what do I do with the ends? Most time I will sew it down, but for the sake of time and also not knowing what a needle and thread is at the moment, I'm going to take it and just crochet these ends into the other cornrows. Okay, so then as you see the pieces in there, what I would typically do is, once I have that in, I'll make sure that my butterfly locks, whatever crochet style I'm doing, I'll make sure that it's definitely on those pieces so that hopefully there won't be any slippage. It's not that often that it has slippage, but I feel like when you use a needle and thread, it is definitely more likely that you won't have to deal with that at all. Now that I have those up, I'm going to go ahead and start my butterfly locks. The hair that I'm using for the butterfly locks is the Niseyo braids. As you can see here, right here in this package here, this is definitely 6 packs. And I have 2 extra packs on the side, but it comes with a crochet needle, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks when you take it out of the package. A lot of people always ask me like how the hair smells. I would say there's a light smell to it. It's not like bad. I mean, I don't know really what the smell is. It's not too bad. It's not overbearing or anything. It makes you feel like you can't wear it. As you see, it definitely gives you that butterfly lock effect. So the good thing is you don't have to go pulling in between because it's already like that. Because there's not much of a knot on the butterfly locks, I'm literally just going to take my needle and put it through the hair. And I honestly take my nail just to open up some type of loop for myself. As you can see, hopefully you can see that there. But I just took my nail to open up some type of loop. And I'm going to crochet that in. This is the finished style. I like it a lot. Again, like, the weight is fine for me. The length is cute. I like that I can be able to move them, and that's my main thing, just being able to move them side to side, or, you know, put it up or anything of that nature. It's really cute. It's really nice. I will take some pictures with it and I will share it on my Instagram page so that you guys can see it. Again, this is by Niseyo braids, and these are the butterfly locks. But I'll put all that information in my Instagram, so if you follow me at DenineJB, you will be able to see all the details about these locks. I will tag the company, and you'll also be able to see like a little clip of this video, because I will put the little clip on this video as well on Instagram, hopefully. So thanks guys. Bye.